Yo, what up guys? It's Traders PO speaking here, and welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. So in today's video guys, I will be talking about the cycle of doom guys. One of the things that is holding us as traders, and one of the things that is can hold us for so many years. Without breaking through the cycle of doom, you won't see real progress into your trading. I've been the victim of being caught in the cycle of doom, and I managed to break through. You understand? So guys, what is the cycle of doom? Cycle of doom in trading is when you first discover, maybe, okay, fine, there's this thing called Forex, right? That's your first step, when you get to discover that there's this thing called Forex. And in your first step, what you do, you are looking for a way to make money through Forex, because of everyone gets into Forex to make money, right? Which I also started to trade Forex because I saw that I can make money through Forex. But it's another topic for another day, which that's the most what can I say, that's the most difficult thing to do in Forex, to make money, you understand? But when it's your first time starting out, you might think that it's easy, but as you go along the journey, you start to understand that this thing is so hard to make money. And that's when you understand that no system in the world was designed for us to make money easy. By the way, back to what I was talking about, the cycle of doom guys. The cycle of doom is when you discover Forex and you discover maybe a strategy. For example, you discover a strategy, or it might be an indicator, or it might be a robot, right? And then fine, you first start to trade with that system or that strategy. Let me keep it simple to talk about a strategy. You first start trading that strategy maybe for a month, and then you find that in your first month the strategy was working fine, and you are so happy, you are smiling, you are like planning to achieve bigger things in the next 3 months, and boom, suddenly the strategy starts to be in a losing streak. And when the strategy starts to be in a losing streak, that's when now you start to doubt your strategy, which is the second step, to doubt your strategy. First step is to have a strategy and trading that strategy, and the second step is now to doubt the strategy. What do I mean by doubting the strategy? Is that when the strategy that you are using start to lose, you start to doubt the strategy, and you are like, you know what, this strategy is not working for me. So what happens is that you go to step 3. Step 3, that's when you start to dump the strategy. You're like, no man, I can't keep using this strategy, it loses a lot, blah 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 blah, and then that's when you start to dump the strategy. And trust me guys, after you dump the strategy, you go back to step 1, you find another strategy. And after finding another strategy, that strategy maybe starts by winning maybe for a week, and you are like, oh, this strategy is working perfect, I'm so happy that I found a system that is working. You are like so excited, you are happy, you are even depositing more money into your trading account, and boom, suddenly that strategy goes back to a losing streak. And then that's when you start to repeat step 2. You are like doubting the strategy. You're like, no, the strategy is not for me, I can't keep on using this strategy, blah blah blah, it doesn't work. And then that's when you get back to step 3. You dump the strategy, you go and look for another one. And by doing so guys, you will repeat that cycle for many times guys, because what you don't understand is that you are caught in the cycle of doom. Nothing is perfect in trading. There's no system that is 100%. There's no system that has a 100% win rate. So the moment you start to doubt the strategy, that you will end up dumping the strategy, and trust me, you will end up moving round and round without real progress, because of you'll find a strategy, your strategy doesn't, it gets to a losing streak, you start to dump the strategy, you start to look for another strategy, you find another strategy, you start to doubt the strategy because of it's losing a lot, and then you start to dump the strategy. So that's the cycle of doom guys. I've been in the cycle of doom for the past 2 years guys, whereby I was looking for that strategy that has a win rate, a high win rate, you understand? I was looking for a perfect strategy that is going to grow my 10k, that was going to grow my $10 account into maybe 10k, you understand? But unfortunately, it doesn't work like that. So guys, one thing I need you to understand is that please don't be caught in the cycle of doom. How do you avoid to be in the cycle of doom? First thing first guys, what you can do is find a strategy I understand when you are beginning, you won't understand what what suits your personality at first, because you will try to understand what you understand most, like you understand. But when you get to a point whereby now you start to understand, okay, this strategy that I understand most, and this strategy that works perfect for me in terms of psychology, in terms of my approach, in terms of the availability of setups in the market, in terms of how you get to be on the charts. You don't spend too much time, things like that. You don't spend too much time on your phone. Like once you start to understand the strategy that suits your personality, one thing I can tell you is to stick to that strategy and focus only on that strategy, and understand that there are periods of you going to lose in that strategy. But remember that even if you can lose this month, it doesn't guarantee that you will lose again in the next month. You will find that in the next month you can make more than what you have lost, which cover the last month losses. And even if you can have a bad quarter, you can still have a good quarter that covers the bad quarter. Even if you can have a bad 6 months of trading results, you can still have only 2 months that can cover 6 months losses. But trust me guys, you need to find one strategy and trade that strategy only, guys, if you don't want to be caught in the cycle of doom. It's so painful to see yourself being caught in a cycle of doom. I know there's someone who's watching this video might be struggling to break through from that cycle of doom. I understand it is the most difficult thing to break out from, you understand guys, because it's like you are looking for a holy grail. It's like you are looking for something that will work most of the time, and unfortunately it doesn't work like that, guys, you understand. So guys, don't be a victim of, so don't be caught in the cycle of doom, guys. There's ways to avoid being in the cycle of doom. One, by finding one system and keep on focusing only on that system. Remember, do not be caught in the cycle of doom, because once you are caught in the cycle of doom, trust me guys, you can spend 2 years to 3 years still not moving forward, still looking for that holy grail, and by doing so you will end up trying to buy signals because of you are looking for short cuts. Anyway, it's your boy Traders Period, and guys, thank you for watching this video up to this end, and I'm out, guys.